FUOOTECH Oil Filtration Group is the leading manufacturer and exporter of various oil treatment plants and testing equipment in Chongqing, China since 2002. We have always adhered to the customer-centric, integrity-based, innovation-driven, service-oriented, and customer-winning purpose, so that our users can buy happily and use with confidence. Our company's products can solve users' troubles in various oil use lengths and are an ideal choice for users to save energy, reduce consumption, regenerate, and protect the environment. FUOOTECH mainly produces waste oil distillation and re-refining plant, industrial waste oil purification and regeneration machine, transformer oil filtration machine, vacuum turbine oil purifier, centrifugal oil separator, vacuum industrial lube oil purifier, used cooking oil purifier, oil filtration and decoloring system, oily water separator, phosphate ester fire-resistant oil purifier machine, on-load tap changer oil purifier machine, PO portable oil filling and filtration machine, plate frame pressurized type oil purifier machine, transformer vacuum pumping system. We also supply various test instruments such as oil tester, electric tester, etc. FUOOTECH is able to provide OEM and ODM services and can customize products according to customers' special requirements. FUOOTECH's production facilities comply with international standards and have passed CE, ISO 9001, and SGS certifications. FUOOTECH has the most professional technical team and excellent sales team. Advanced technology and excellent service system have established a good image of our products and services in the minds of customers. FUOOTECH's products are widely used in over 45 industries, including electric power, power stations, petroleum, chemical industry, mining, machinery manufacturing, steel mills, engineering contractors, metallurgy, railways, aviation, etc. They are distributed all over China and exported to more than 50 countries in the Americas, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and South America. It has directly or indirectly participated in over 100 international projects. We sincerely welcome customers to visit us and look forward to establishing long-term and stable cooperative relationships with you. FUOOTECH, as the leader of China's oil processing technology, is willing to write the future with you and jointly promote the progress of the environmental protection industry.